Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope everybody is fine and you all are doing good. Today we are going to Abu Dhabi for our trip. We booked a hotel there and we are going to visit many places while enjoying ourselves. That's what we thought. But we had so much troubles. First, we got a lot of fines for our wrong parking places and also some driving mistakes. First of all, we did not knew that there were specific places in which we have different parking areas, like black and blue for standard parking and white and blue for premium parking. Now we had a standard parking and we had no idea what, like, there were different parkings. So, but then we by mistakenly kept our car in a premium parking area and we got a fine of 100 dirhams. But not only once, but twice we got that. So, like 200 dirhams. And also, one more time, by mistakenly, the Google showed a different way. And then later we figured out. So, we had to like change our car and we crossed a solid line for that. Another 200 dirhams went. These were all the fines, but eventually we reached our hotel, and the views you are seeing till now was how our hotel is. The room was pretty good, and that was the washroom you just saw, and before that was the corridors and the lift and all. This was the bedroom we got. We got twin bed, and we also got like different rooms for me and my bunu and my abu and ammu. And this was my parents' room. There was this big window, and in the bottom area we got like swimming pools and dining area. A lot of things were there in the hotel. The view was also nice, not so bad. So eventually it was not that bad, even though we got a lot of fines, but still we tried to enjoy ourselves, and it was the first time we were coming here. So yeah, it's okay, it's so perfectly fine. Then we just came out as we had to take our lunch. We like left our house in the morning after eating something, and now after a lot of travel we were very much hungry. We were searching for a nice restaurant, and then we found this royal chickens like that. So we thought this restaurant is good, like here, royal chickies. So we just went inside. Why should we wait? The menu was good. We had a big cuisine and a lot of combos and grills, sandwiches, many things were there. We were choosing from the menu what to eat. Kebabs were there, Filipino cuisines, Indian cuisine, South Indian, North Indian. A lot of things were available. We gave our order and we waited for our food to come. Our hotel was also near from this restaurant. It was just in front of the restaurant. So it was pretty easy for us to come here and eat our food. They came and gave the salad, just the usual. After the salad, our food suddenly started to arrive. We had ordered a royal chicken burger. That came first, and then they also bought us. We also ordered a mixed fried rice. That came then. We also ordered chili fish. That also came. Finally, we started eating. Also, we had ordered a chicken biryani that was coming. No, probably a like chicken tandoori biryani. Probably. We all started eating. We all shared everything together, and we ate. The food was really, really good. Here was our chicken tandoori biryani. It also came, and we were surprised because the fried rice was so good. After so many days, we have ate like so tasty and yummy fried rice. But then we were so full. We also like parceled the biryani because we couldn't eat it anymore. Then we just went back to the hotel, took some rest, refreshed, and then we came outside, and there was like the Cornish beach nearby. So we thought, why not go there? Anyway, today we traveled a lot, so we were thinking we will visit all the places the next day. But today we thought, let's visit the beach because beach was near and we love beaches. What else do we need? We don't need more reasons. So we parked our car in this park and the beach was the opposite side. So we had to go through the pass underground this crossing to reach the other side, like the beach side. So this was how the underground passing was like. I don't know what to call it, so I'll just call it like the underground passing or path or pass or something. It was so clean. It's not like nobody goes through it. I barely saw anyone, but still it was kept really good and clean. There were a lot of fountains also, inside, outside. Really beautiful. As you know, our summer vacations are going on, and we also wanted to visit some places and have a little fun. That's why a few days ago I was telling my ammu, and my parents were like, okay, then let's go and visit some places and let's have a lot of fun. That's why we planned a very quick trip to Abu Dhabi. Like we literally planned it yesterday. We booked the hotels yesterday, everything. We packed our luggages in the morning and we left it in the morning. It was so fast, but worth it. So worth it. This was the beach and the sun was about to set in a few hours, but we couldn't wait there for that much long. But still, we went close the shore and also I touched the shore and the sea was really clean. It was not that hot and some people also went parasailing there, as you can see. And this was the shore. We were so near. I wanted to build the sandcastle and also like go into the sea, but we did not came prepared for that. We had to wear like our sandals and come and also change our clothes. So yeah, we didn't go there. Stood there by the sea and enjoyed the air, the breeze, the sunset. No, actually we did not see the sunset, but the almost about to be sunset view. All these things were like just near the beach. There was a surfing area just close by, that straight thing that you can see, the surf slide, that thing was a surfing area. And this beach was really close to my hotel. After that, we just went back, took our dinner, and took some rest. But this video is getting really long, so I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Ma salama.